Dashboards are at the center of analytics, collections of charts, tables, and other widgets that display key data about your organization. But in the increasingly complex world of business, it's no longer enough to just present the data. You need to use it to tell a story that will engage, motivate, and persuade. The solution? SAP Analytics Cloud Stories, which provide everything you need to transform your data into compelling dashboards, where each page can focus on a specific collection of visualizations and insights that support decision-making and drive action. You can jumpstart the storytelling process by taking advantage of templates with pre-configured page layouts, or downloading line of business and industry examples from the Analytic Content Network. If you're creating your pages from scratch, they can be canvases, meaning that you can place every element exactly where you want, or responsive so that the layout automatically adjusts depending on the user's device, both in a browser and in the mobile app. As you add widgets to your pages, you can quickly connect them to your data by selecting an existing model created in SAP Analytics Cloud or SAP DataSphere based on live or imported data. Alternatively, you can add data to the whole story so that it's available to map to new widgets or link to other data sources. In addition to choosing existing models, you can also import local data sources like CSVs or spreadsheets and prepare the data directly in your story, or use an existing data connection to import data from sources such as Google Drive or OData services. Once a widget is mapped to a data source, you can then start configuring the chart or table using Builder mode by selecting which measures and dimensions you want to display. Charts give you a powerful way to visualize data, with a wide range of customization options, such as blending the data from different data sources by linking on a shared dimension, changing the chart type, sorting or ranking members, adding variants, applying conditional formatting thresholds, and generating smart insights based on AI algorithms. If you need help creating your charts, you can use AI tools such as Just Ask to generate visualizations on the fly from natural language queries that you can copy to your stories. You can also choose to visualize your data in tables, which allow you to perform planning activities directly in your stories, or view location-enriched data in geomaps. If none of SAP Analytics Cloud's out-of-the-box widgets meet your needs, you can use the R visualization widget and a familiar R scripting environment to define your own, or you can create custom widgets using JSON and JavaScript and add them to your stories in advanced mode, which also enables you to take advantage of additional widget types and apply scripting to define more complex interactions. If you want to focus on specific values or dimension members, you can apply filters to individual widgets, add input controls that filter multiple related widgets, or create filters that apply to the entire page or story. Once you've spotlighted all the right data, you can flesh out the story you're telling by adding images, text, and other design elements, and then customize the formatting to match your organization's branding by changing the styling for individual widgets, modifying predefined format preferences in the story settings, or defining and applying themes using CSS. Finally, you can share your story with colleagues so that they can interact with and explore it, either in full or with additional filters as a bookmarked view, present it in stakeholder meetings, generate a short video to highlight key data, or export it as a snapshot of your story insights. So, if you're ready to tell the story of your data, find out how SAP Analytics Cloud Stories can help.